Flat rate mechanic here again. We're working on a 2020 Jeep Compass, and customer was complaining of the auto stop feature not working. And in this video, I am going to show you what to do to fix that. So let's wait and see if the message pops up on the dash. Yep, stop, start, unavailable service, stop start system now. And I'm going to show you what we need to check in order to see what's going on here. Now also you can disable this system too. It doesn't stay disabled, but once you get in the vehicle, if you hit this button, it will shut that auto stop start off. It's not going to get rid of the light though. So if you find the auto stop start system annoying, which I very much so do, when you get in the vehicle, you can hit this button and it will disable that function, but it's not going to shut off this malfunction light. So we did scan this for codes, and it looks like we had a stored code P00FD, battery B, state of charge performance. So this vehicle does have 2 batteries, and I'm going to show you where those batteries are and how to test them and see if that could possibly be the cause of this light. All right, so on this Jeep Compass, this is our main battery, and right here is our auxiliary battery. On top of this is your auto stop start relay. I have seen these go bad. It's not as common as some other things, but it's hard to source these aftermarket. If I can find, I will look on Amazon. Amazon might have these. If I can find, I'll leave a link below. But the auxiliary battery is right underneath that, and we're going to go ahead and test this real quick. Okay, so I did check this with my voltmeter. We had about 11.7 volts, which you should have 12.6 even on these little smaller auxiliary batteries. I did test it with my battery tester, and I know a lot of you at home probably don't have a battery tester, so but I'll show you what else you can do here. But you can see this one's testing. So yeah, 11.21 volts. This should be at 12.6. So if you got a multimeter and it's under 12.6, more than likely that battery is going to have to be replaced. But you can also remove this battery and bring it to your local parts store, and they will test it for you. It's relatively simple. You just want to make sure you disconnect your main battery connections before you disconnect these connections, and you just have a hold down strap here, and you're going to have to disconnect the starter relay as well. But go ahead and remove this battery, take it down to your local parts store. In this case, replacing this auxiliary battery is gonna fix this customer's issue. So appreciate you guys watching. If the video was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. Till next time, Flat Rate Mechanic.